Hello students, today we will be discussing about the topic the reflected light can be reflected again. If the light reflected by a plane mirror are incident on another plane mirror, then the reflected rays are reflected again. In this case, the reflected rays of the first plane mirror become incident rays for the second plane mirror. The further reflection from the second plane mirror also takes place according to the laws of reflection of light. An optical instrument in which the reflected light is reflected again is a periscope. So today we will be discussing about a periscope and its uses. You see, a periscope is a long tabular device through which a person can see objects that are out of the direct line of the sight. A periscope gives us a higher view than normal. For example, by using a periscope we can see the objects on the other sides of a high wall which cannot be seen by us directly. The periscope makes uses of two plane mirrors to see over the top of the things. Now, the periscope makes actually a periscope works on the reflection of light from two plane mirrors arranged parallel to one another. Now look at the picture here. Look at the picture here. You see that this is a plane mirror. Plane mirror is actually fit here. Another plane mirror is fitted here. So these two plane mirrors are parallel to each other. These two plane mirrors are parallel to each other. Now suppose an object is present here, and that object from that object light will be incident on this mirror. Now they will be reflected, and see this ray will be reflected and it will be incident ray on the another plane mirror. Now after reflecting from this mirror, it will come to our eyes, so that we will get to see the object present over there. So that is the working of periscope. Now see here the we will now describe that the working of periscope. Suppose there is a tree behind a high wall which we cannot see directly. We can, however, see this tree by using a periscope. The upper hole of the periscope is turned towards the object to be seen. So the top mirror M1 reflects the light coming from the object, and again see this reflected ray will travel through the box of this periscope and it will be incident on the second plane mirror. Then from the second plane mirror it will be reflected towards our eyes, so we can see the object. So what are the uses of periscope? Some of the uses of periscopes are given here. A periscope is used to see over the heads of a crowd, and a periscope is used by soldiers sitting in a trench to observe the enemy activity outside. A periscope is used by soldiers sitting in a trench to observe the enemy activities outside or over the ground. A periscope is used by a navy officer sitting in a submarine to see ships over the surface of water in the sea. So this is about the periscope. Now see, we will be discussing about the formation of multiple images. Multiple images. If two mirrors are inclined at an angle of 60 degree, 90 degree, whatever is there, so that in front of that both mirror, if we keep an object, what will happen? That a light will incident on one mirror and it will be reflected, and that reflected ray will be falling on the other mirrors, and then again it will be reflected. Okay, so what are see how many number of images will be formed? If the angle of inclination between the two mirror is A, then the number of images will be 360 divided by A minus 1. That is the number of images will be formed. So this is the things. The number of images will be formed can be calculated by this formula. Now the next topic we will be discussing here about that the kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope is an instrument. Kaleidoscope is also an instrument or toy containing inclined plane mirror which produce the multiple reflection of colored glass pieces and create a beautiful patterns. Now see, we can actually make a kaleidoscope here in our home also. We have to take a rectangular strip of plane mirrors plane mirrors, each about 15 centimeter long and 4 centimeter wide. Join the 3 plane mirrors strip lengthwise by using an adhesive tape so to form a hollow prism. Now see, actually if actually the light falls over the plane mirror, then both it will be reflected, and then this both the reflection it will show us that the beautiful pattern, and that is the kaleidoscope. Okay, so this kaleidoscope and as well as the periscope works on the principle that the reflection of light or the reflected ray can be reflected again. That's all. Thank you.